Hi, here's a video regarding the user interface of the ION Brushes and Products Rectifier. The interface is the same for all types of rectifiers that we make in all sizes. Let's go over this. Up here at the top, we have amps. This is the amp display, displaying the average amps. You have the input, where you can actually input the amps that you want. Here's the voltage, which displays the running voltage. And here you can set the voltage. One thing that's important to note is once you've started the amplifier, those are no longer accessible. You have to adjust manually. In order to input a solid number again, you have to actually stop the unit. Now you can actually manually input what you want. So that's how you adjust the amps and volts. So let's go into the operation mode. The operation mode is where you can set up the different operating modes. You can have manual, you can set timers, amps times minutes, ramps, and layer thickness. Also, another key feature is the auto start and the soft start and the V-test for the auto start. When you hit back out, you come to this screen, which is the program screen. You can get that straight to operations from that button, or you can go into the program mode there on the main screen. So if I put timer, you'll see that I have a 20-minute timer set. It's reflected here in the start button. As I start it, it begins to count down. Timer programs are set in the timer menu. Here in the operation mode, timer, this is where you set the timers. Very easy to set. Again, you want to, if you're going to make any adjustments like that, you're going to want to make sure the unit's stopped first. It won't let you, so you're not going to mess up anything. That's how you set the timer. Again, you can have multiple timers. You can have various timers set up, as we do here. And those are all easy to change from the front by hitting this little area here. You can change the timers. Ramps operate in a similar way. You can set up multiple ramps, the voltage, the time, and even which mode, DC or pulse. They can be chained together. We won't get into the other. Let's go back to manual just for demonstration purposes. The pulse screen allows you to choose DC, various pulse trains, complex pulse trains, and even pulse reverse. Those are options available. Diagnostic screen gives you a lot of important feed out into the internal workings of the actual rectifier to help with troubleshooting. We also have history of everything. As you can see, everything that I've been adjusting. And we have various faults that can, with troubleshooting in it, if you come up with a fault, and settings and bypasses and things like that. For the most part, what you're going to want to do is set to P1, pulse 1, set your amps, your volts, and hit start. Those are the basics of operating the pulse rectifier. We'll have different videos that go into more depth about each feature.